towers of Wall Street are bustling once more, a sign of the times as the world slowly returns to pre-pandemic norms. JPMorgan Chase, a titan of finance, has called its employees back to its headquarters 5 days a week, signaling a significant shift in workplace dynamics. This bold move marks a stark contrast to the remote work trend embraced by many companies during recent years, where flexibility and home offices became the norm. The decision has sparked debate, raising questions about the future of work and the evolving relationship between employers and employees. Many wonder if this is a step forward or a step back. JPMorgan Chase's decision is not just about returning to the old ways. It represents a calculated gamble on the power of in-person collaboration, which they believe can drive innovation and productivity. The company has poured billions into a state-of-the-art headquarters, betting that a cutting-edge workplace can lure employees back to the fold and foster a new era of corporate synergy. As the financial world watches, the success or failure of this experiment could have far-reaching implications for how we work in the years to come, potentially setting a precedent for other industries to follow. JPMorgan Chase's new headquarters is a far cry from the traditional stuffy office buildings of Wall Street's past. This new building represents a bold step into the future, embracing both cutting-edge technology and innovative design principles. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the building is a testament to modern design and technological innovation. Its sleek lines and towering presence make it a standout in the iconic New York City skyline. Natural light floods the open-plan workspaces, fostering a sense of energy and connection. The design encourages collaboration and creativity, making it an inspiring place to work. The building is also a marvel of sustainability, incorporating features designed to reduce its environmental impact. It stands as a model for eco-friendly corporate architecture. From energy-efficient lighting to advanced water conservation systems, JPMorgan Chase has made significant strides in creating a more eco-friendly workplace. These features not only save resources but also create a healthier environment for employees. Technology is woven into the very fabric of the building. Every aspect of the workspace is designed to enhance productivity and streamline operations. Advanced meeting rooms facilitate seamless collaboration, while cutting-edge software keeps employees connected and productive. These spaces are equipped with the latest digital tools to support dynamic teamwork. The building even features smart sensors that monitor air quality, temperature, and lighting, adjusting automatically to create the optimal working environment. This ensures that employees are always comfortable and able to perform at their best. Jamie Dimon, JPMorgan Chase's influential CEO, has been a vocal critic of remote work. He argues that it undermines collaboration, innovation, and the company's unique culture. Dimon believes that the spontaneous interactions and shared energy of a physical office are essential for driving success in the fast-paced world of finance. Dimon's stance on remote work is rooted in a deep belief in the power of human connection. He argues that remote work can lead to isolation and disengagement, ultimately hindering both individual and organizational growth. While acknowledging that remote work has its place, Dimon maintains that it is not a sustainable long-term solution for a company like JPMorgan Chase. Section 4. A day in the life, navigating the new normal. For JPMorgan Chase employees, the return to the office marks a significant shift in their daily routines. After months of remote work, the transition back to the office environment is both exciting and challenging. Gone are the days of logging in from home. Instead, employees are once again navigating the hustle and bustle of commuting to and from the office. The familiar sights and sounds of the city commute have returned, bringing with them a sense of normalcy. Once inside the office, employees are greeted by a seamless blend of technology and design. The modern office spaces are equipped with the latest innovations to enhance productivity and comfort. They can easily reserve hot desks using a mobile app, ensuring they have a comfortable and convenient workspace. This flexibility allows employees to choose their preferred workstations each day, adapting to their needs. The building's advanced technology allows for effortless collaboration, with video conferencing and screen sharing capabilities readily available. These tools make it easier for teams to stay connected, whether they are in the office or working remotely. Despite the initial adjustments, many employees are finding that the new office environment offers unexpected benefits. The blend of in-person and virtual collaboration has opened up new possibilities for teamwork and innovation. The opportunity for face-to-face interaction with colleagues has rekindled a sense of camaraderie and sparked new ideas. These interactions are fostering a renewed sense of community and collaboration, driving the company forward in exciting ways. Section 5. The Human Factor, Employee Concerns and Pushback. JPMorgan Chase's return to office mandate has not been without its critics. Many employees have expressed concerns about the loss of flexibility that remote work provided. Juggling childcare, elder care, and other personal responsibilities becomes more challenging with a fixed office schedule. Others have voiced concerns about the potential health risks of returning to a communal work environment. Despite the company's efforts to implement safety protocols, the fear of COVID-19 and other illnesses lingers. The debate over remote work highlights a growing tension between employers and employees. Workers are increasingly demanding greater flexibility and autonomy, while companies grapple with the need to maintain productivity and a cohesive company culture. Section 6. Wall Street's response, a divided landscape. JPMorgan Chase's decision to end remote work has sent ripples through the financial industry. Some major players, such as Goldman Sachs, have followed suit, calling employees back to the office full-time. Others, like Citigroup, have adopted a more hybrid approach, allowing employees to work remotely for a portion of the week. The varied responses reflect the uncertainty surrounding the future of work. Some companies are eager to return to pre-pandemic norms, while others are embracing the flexibility and cost savings that remote work can offer. Section 7. The Future of Work, a Shifting Paradigm. The debate over remote work is far from over. As technology continues to evolve and employee expectations shift, companies across all industries will need to adapt. The one-size-fits-all approach to work is likely a relic of the past. The future of work may lie in finding a balance between the benefits of in-person collaboration and the flexibility of remote work. Companies that can successfully navigate this new landscape, prioritizing both employee well-being and organizational success, will be well-positioned to thrive in the years to come. What do you think? Is the office really necessary, or is the future of work truly remote?